In this lesson, I'm going to show you how to do a logo shine effect in Premiere Pro. To do that, first of all, I have my logo on my timeline. I'm going to head over to Effects and then search for Light. And then you're going to see this lighting effect. So I'm going to click and drag that onto the logo and then head over to Effects Controls. Within Effects Controls, I'm going to make sure that ambient intensity is 100. And then I'm going to scroll up to create a mask. So I'm going to click on the rectangular mask and then drag the rectangle outside the logo. Next, you are going to reshaping the mask to like a stretchy rectangle, something like this. And then head over to Effects Control within Mask Path, add a keyframe, select the mask to reveal the mask again, and then move the playhead a few frames ahead, and then move the mask to the other side of the clip, like that. Now, when you play this back, you get that. If you find this video helpful, be sure to give it a like. And also do well to subscribe to the channel and turn on post notifications so you get notified when I post a new video. Thank you, and I'll see you on the next one. Bye.